In today's video, we are going to show you how to complete the KYC verification process in Olymp Trade. Verifying your account is important because it helps protect your account, complies with financial regulations, and may be required before you can withdraw funds or use certain account features. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Once you are logged in, I want you to tap your profile icon, which can be found on the top left corner. And then click the gear icon and then click the settings. Now, one of the requirements for completing your full KYC is resolving any pending verification items on your account. If you see a yellow exclamation mark, it means there are still some steps that need your attention. Start by verifying your contact information. You'll need to provide a valid email address and click the verification link sent to your inbox. After that, you need to add and verify your phone number by entering the one-time password or OTP that you will receive. Now, after that, you need to set up your two-factor authentication to improve your account security. You can use either Google Authenticator or Facebook Messenger depending on the options available for your account. Once you've completed all of these requirements, go to the verification tab, continue the rest of your KYC process, and then click the verification. Now, this is very important. If you see a notification saying something like, you don't need to get verified for now, don't worry, because this usually means your account is still under review or you are not yet eligible for verification. Sometimes this happens if your account is newly created or if Olymp Trade hasn't requested verification yet. Simply keep checking this section from time to time. Eventually, once verification becomes available, you will see a Verify Now button when that button appears. However, if you've been waiting for a very long time and the Verify Now button still hasn't appeared or your verification remains pending, you can contact the Olymp Trade support team for assistance. Just go to the bottom right corner where you can see the support section. All I have to do now is click the chat, wherein you can clarify your account status and the support will provide any additional information if needed. And of course, they'll be more than glad to help resolve any verification issues. And that's how you complete a full KYC verification and Olymp Trade. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.